Hi friends, welcome back to Snippets of Love. This is Amy Love here, and I thought I would share with you today my prayer Bible that I've been working in and some of the goodies that I like to play with when I am decorating my prayer Bible. So let me start with the actual prayer Bible. Sorry if that was loud. I keep it in this book sleeve. I'm not sure if they're still listed. I made a bunch of book sleeves and I have them listed in my Etsy store, and they will fit compact Bibles and Kindles and I think the small iPad. I do have the measurements on there. So if you're looking for a book sleeve, they all do have pockets that will fit your cheaters if you're like me and you need to have cheaters, and they will fit pins. So this one's really pretty, but actually I think I want to make a cover for this prayer Bible, and I'm hoping to work on that soon, and I will hopefully have a tutorial for you on that. But this is where I keep my little prayer Bible now, and I love this little Bible. So I will have a link to my Amazon shop below, and almost everything including this Bible will be in my Amazon shop if you want to check it out. So what drew me to this was that it was pink. And this is an NIV, but you can also get a compact Bible in any version that you particularly enjoy. So basically the difference between a prayer Bible and like my regular Bible and my study Bible is that I have this tabbed by subject matter. So I have a key in the back of what each tab is tabbed for my particular season of life. So I have a tab for anxiety and peace. I have a tab for self-worth, a tab for encouragement and hope, a tab for the promises of God, for guidance and wisdom, for healing, for friendship, for my husband, for my daughter. So this is a work in progress. I am definitely not done tabbing this out, because I will have one for each of my children and each of my husband's children also. And so, when I break this out every day to pray, I go where I feel led and that I have tabs for. So I did use tabs here, but now I'm starting to use washi tape. So I have a pink washi for my daughter Megan, and I'm going to tab the washies up top like that, and then the rest of the tabs are right here. And I have found this to be such a blessing, not only when I go to pray, but when I go to tab it based on the subject matter that I need prayer for or I want to pray for. Has been such a blessing and has really illuminated some passages that I'm not really that familiar with, or that I tend to overlook. So what a blessing this experience has been. I watched some ladies on YouTube go through their prayer Bibles, and I was immediately excited to get a prayer Bible of my own. So this is the one that I have. And I have seen people who have prayer Bibles, if they're going through an illness and need healing, that prayer Bible is just for that subject. So they'll tab all the things associated with that. Or if they're grieving, just the whole prayer Bible is set up to focus in that one area of your life. It's really a beautiful, beautiful thing. So anyway, in mine I do have stickers. I put a picture of me and my husband right in the front of it. I would like to put a picture of my kids probably in here also. So I have, also I highlight the scripture based on the color tab. I have some tip-ins, and I am really enjoying this Bible so much. So there's that, and I am hopefully going to be working on a cover for that. So let me show you the goodies that I like to use. I bought these and I haven't used them yet, but I will be putting them on pages. And I think what I want to do is kind of, I've seen people put these on the edge right here, and I think that would be really pretty. And I might just do that with my absolute favorite scriptures, and that way they'll be so easy to get to because they'll have the crocheted tape, crocheted lace tape, yes please, on there. So I do have a link to these in my Amazon shop too. I haven't used these yet, but I'm excited to give these a go. So these are the highlighters I'm using by Mr. Pen, I believe. Yes, Mr. Pen. And these are great. They come in all different colors. I just will say that this coral color right here is really, really dark. And it's almost, I feel like, too dark. Can I quickly find one of those? Well, that would be too simple. Let me go up to the coral tab. I can't even work the Bible myself, but it's really dark. I did it really light right there, but you can see it does kind of come through on the other side. So that one's really dark, but really that's the only one that is really doing that. I was worried about that turquoise, but here it is right here. And it has just a little bit of ghosting on this page, but not as bad as that coral one. So these work great. It's just that one right there is a little, it's a little dark. These are the tabs that I used. Now, they do make wider tabs, you know, and tabs that are all the way colored that don't have this clear spot at the bottom. But for me, this being a compact journal, I didn't really want tabs wider than that. And I really like how this portion is clear, just in case some of this text is close to the edge. I don't want any of it covered up with the color. So that's why I love these tabs, because they don't cover up any of the text. Love these. I also love how this prayer journal is laid out. I enjoy the columns. You know, because all Bibles aren't laid out that way, but that suits me well. So those are my little tabs, and I got all of this on Amazon. Here is my little pouch that I like to keep my pens in, and I will put my highlighters in here too. I just haven't had a chance yet. So I have a bunch of Mr. Pen pens. And these are dark. I would like to get more pastel colors because I am kind of a pastel girl. But I got those, and that's fine. We'll deal with that. I bought these highlighters for my regular Bible a long time ago. And they are like, it's like a waxy situation. So I mean, some people may really like that. I don't care for that. I don't like to have this waxy residue like actually on my Bible pages. So I bought these before I realized I wasn't going to enjoy that. So I have those, but I don't use them. So maybe I will donate those and then put these other ones in my case. And I don't know if I have actually anything in here. Oh, I do. So I've got a pink highlighter. I've got the washi tape I'm using for one of my daughters. And then I have this double-sided tape in here because that's how I put the picture of me and my husband in my Bible. And that's how I'll be putting the other pictures that I want to put in my Bible. These are just some Bible stickers that I've been using. And then this guy right here, I love this so much. It's Bible Verse Vintage Junk Journal. And some of it is very vintage, which isn't really my style. Like some of it's very vintage. But I thought it would be really cool because I love like these. Look at these. And I use them as tip-ins in my Bible. So what a tip-in is, let me show you. I don't have very many in, but I do have one. So I used washi tape. Now washi tape, if you don't know, washi tape is a kind of tape where you can peel it off with that and it won't tear a page. So I can tear this easily off and it will not tear my Bible. But it's just taped down. So I have this beautiful scripture card on one side, and then I can write prayers or anything I want on the other side, and it's just tipped in my Bible. So that's what a tip-in is, and that's what I would use these for, and I might use them for in some journaling too. So it's just got beautiful cards, all sorts of really cool. And I love that the back of the paper is also like vintage instead of just stark white. So there's a lot of things to use in here. Love this. I do have my scripture coloring book in here, although that is not part of my prayer journal. And then I have these in here. I do have cross paper clips, but I put these paper clips in here with these little hearts. They're so cute. So I do use those too to make notes or, you know, whatever I want to do to clip things in. So I'm actually going to sit and pray in my prayer journal right now, and then I might add some of these, and then if I have time, I might start that journal, that Bible cover. So do you guys use a prayer Bible? Have you heard of them before? Like, I would love to know what you think about it. Please leave me a comment and a thumbs up, and if you are interested in anything I've shown here, be sure you check out my Amazon storefront, and the link to that is below. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, everybody.